Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Voyager. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Voyager has formed another falling wedge pattern. And by the way, this was my last video that I shared almost 3 days ago. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the movement is now quite squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, at any time, it can break this pattern. By the way, we have another very massive resistance above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And that is the resistance of a very big Ichimoku bearish cloud. And therefore, even after breaking out this wedge, we will still need to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance as well in order to continue or start a very massive rally to the upside from here. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for VGX that I shared almost 6 days ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 23% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for VGX that I shared almost 6 days ago with my members on 4th of June 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that VGX formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that VGX started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 23% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of VGX, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several months since after November 2021, it is moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. And now recently, after testing this quite long-term support of 6.5 cents, the price and it geared up and trying to break out this long-term resistance of 11 cents. By the way, this is a complete resistance zone, support and resistance zone that starts from 14 cents and goes to 11 cents. If I highlight this area, then it will be easy for you to want this support and resistance zone. You can see that here after this big drop, it worked as a very nice support zone. And here it worked as a support zone, resistance zone, support and resistance zone here. And now for the past few weeks, it is breaking as a resistance zone. Therefore, first, we will need to break out the lower bands of this resistance zone. Then we will need to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Then still, we will need to break out the upper bands of this very strong and long-term resistance zone that is here at 14 cents. And after that, we will need to break out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. By the way, when we were testing the support here at that time, there was also a very big bullish divergence flash as the stochastic on the 7 days time frame chart was forming higher low. At the same time, price line was forming lower low. And now you can see that after this bullish divergence signal, the price line is geared up and trying to break out this resistance on. Then, therefore, I'm expecting that this time it can break out the resistance of this wedge. And once VGX will be able to break out this wedge, then a long-term technical target for this breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be between $5.50 to $6. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.